Today we will talk about when should I hire a Houston personal injury lawyer. Being injured through no fault of your own is a stressful experience. Although anybody can bring a personal injury claim on their own, it's typically in your best interest to seek qualified legal representation. If you have questions about hiring a Houston personal injury lawyer, you are not alone. At Patrick Daniel Law, we hear from people every day who have questions about hiring a lawyer to help them assert their legal rights. Keep regarding Keep reading for information that can help you decide whether hiring an attorney is the best course of action for your personal injury claim. Or if you need assistance right away, you can learn how Austin personal injury lawyer Patrick Daniel can help. 7 questions to determine if you should hire a Houston personal injury lawyer. Ultimately, if you have questions about your legal rights, you should talk to a lawyer. The vast majority of personal injury attorneys offer free consultations, so there is no upfront cost or obligations to hire a lawyer at the initial meeting. Additionally, if your answer to each of the following questions is yes, then you should absolutely schedule an appointment with a Houston personal injury lawyer as soon as possible. The first one is, were you involved in an accident? Personal injury lawyers handle accident related claims. If you are involved in an accident, this is the first sign that you should speak with a lawyer. The second one is, were you seriously injured in the accident? If you suffer any type of injury due to someone else's negligence, you have the right to pursue legal action. However, the majority of viable claims center on accidents that cause serious injuries, like as broken bones, back injuries, vision loss, and blindness, internal organ damage. The third one, have you sought medical treatment for your injuries? Insurance companies will often defend against personal injury claims by arguing that the victim can't prove their injuries are accident related. They will also frequently blame accident victims for exacerbating their injuries by delaying necessary medical treatment. With this in mind, it is extremely important to seek treatment right away after being injured in an accident. The fourth one is, do you suspect someone else was at fault for the accident? To recover compensation for a personal injury, you need to prove that your injuries were caused by the negligence of one or more parties. If the accident happened due to the factors beyond your control, a Houston personal injury lawyer can investigate to determine who is at fault. It can be difficult to collect the necessary evidence to prove fault and liability, especially if you are seriously injured in the accident. A Houston personal injury lawyer can gather evidence on your behalf and identify the liable parties. The fifth one is, has it been less than 2 years since the accident? In Texas, personal injury claims are subject to a 2 year statute of limitations. This means that you must file a lawsuit within 2 years of the date that you suffer injury in order to preserve your legal rights. With that said, you should not wait any longer than necessary. Delaying your claim could make it much more difficult to recover just compensation. Sixth one and last one is, have you avoided settling with the insurance companies. If you have tried to deal with the insurance companies on your own, that's okay. As long as you have not accepted a settlement, once you settle, your claim is over and a Houston personal injury lawyer probably would not be able to help you. Whether state settlement negotiations seems to be going nowhere or you have received an offer you are not sure if it's fair. It is in your best interest to talk to a personal injury attorney promptly. A lawyer can review your case and try to negotiate a more favorable settlement on your behalf.